right, we have a beautifully designed line tracing paper for our GENIBOT elephant to follow. So Jackie, how do we get started if we want to do line tracing?
Yes. Well, for the line tracing, it's very, very simple. But we need to use this line tracing card.
Yes.
And simply just touch and start to find the line to follow the lines. So I'm going to show you the example. When you make start, 3 ways. First, when you put or this GENIBOT recognize the line tracing at end of the line, then stop. Second, when you press the button, then also stop. Third one, after end of the line, GENIBOT still looking for another line about 2 or 3 seconds more. If there's no line, then stop.
Okay.
Otherwise, if he find another line, then keep following the line.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, I want to show you the first case. Using tapping, touch, this line tracing, and then I put in this card end of the line.
End. Yes.
Yeah. And then maybe GENIBOT recognize this line tracing card and stop.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Hello, I'm GENIBOT.
And just touch.
Line tracing.
Yes.
So GENIBOT is getting a little wiggly in these flowers. Was that intentional? Why is that happening?
Yes, it's intentional because you remember when you look at the bottom on the GENIBOT, what kind of sensors are there? What is the principle to follow the line, you think?
Well, the OID sensor is to read that.
Read that, but
So,
there's another
The
sensor.
other sensor are the light sensors.
Correct. So light sensor can recognize the white and black.
Line tracing.
Yes. So that's why this one can shaking in here. Because of this light sensor.
Okay.